Do you like your rice cereal? You love it.
Do you like your cereal, baby? Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? It's funny. Do you want some more? Num num.
Rice cereal, yum yum.
Yummy yummy. Oh, Isabella. Do you want some more? Okay. You want some more? Then she likes it. Okay. Let's try some more. Want some more? Yeah.
It's like a little shark.
Okay, baby.